The new plug-and-play penetration from BLÜCHER, installed in less than 60 seconds. We're delighted to introduce to you the new BLÜCHER plug-and-play penetration, the easy way to save costly installation costs. A new to the world non-welded penetration that can be installed in less than 60 seconds, fast and simple. A conventional welded penetration will often take more than 30 minutes to install. The plug-and-play penetrations are fully tested and fire-approved according to IMO regulations, with fire ratings from A0 to A60, vibration and tightness tested. You can install from both sides of the deck, so the ideal solution for upside-down panel line production, or for a refurbishing project as no hot works is required. The simple installation process requires a power tool only and can be done by non-skilled workers, a cost-efficient solution for you. Give it a go and start to enjoy huge savings. It works.